Welcome back to a very special episode of Will It Slip? First of all, Selamat Hari Merdeka to all Malaysians. Today we're gonna test out the items that are very close to all our hearts. We have nasi lemak, we have kai fan, we have teh ice. So, you know the drill. First of all, we're gonna wet the house. Okay, Yona.
First of all, we'll try out for the nasi lemak on the matte surface area.
Whoop.
And now on the tip-top surface, teh ice.
Don't let it drop.
On the matte surface. And
It is
then
sliding,
now,
okay.
Now on the tip-top surface, is the kai fan on the matte surface. And now tip-top. It's there.
So as always, leave your ideas for us below as comments. Selamat Hari Merdeka, and we will see you again for the next Will It Slip?